In this video I will show you how to add or create checkboxes options in Google Forms. So the first step is open a new Google form or use an already created form, and after that we can add a new question. So we will go all the way down, and on the right side you will find a little menu, and here we can add a new question. So select that option and now you are adding a new question. So fill in the question like how is your day? The next step is of course to go to the menu on the right side, and here you will find different options. So we will scroll a little bit down and there you will find the checkboxes option. So the next step is to select the checkboxes option, and here we can fill in the answers. Okay, the next one will be good, and the third one will be very good. And as you can see, we have now created the checkboxes option. The next step is to select the required option over here, so people have to fill in the answer. And after that you can publish your form and then review it. So I will preview it, and then you will see that once we are logged in, then we can go to the next question, and here you will find the checkbox option we just created. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!